You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Okay, let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly this word. I know the spelling makes it confusing. It's not a word, it's a name, sorry. But the pronunciation is actually pretty easy once you know. Darryl, right? Yeah, it's an A, and you just pronounce the first part of the A. A is diphthong. You got two sounds. A. No, just the first part. Darryl, and you stress on that first syllable. Darryl, and now you know. Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Do you got it? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.